Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us face when trying to scrape price data from web pages. So what's the problem exactly? Well, imagine you're trying to extract both the main price and the discounted price from a web page, but you can only get one of them. Frustrating, right? But fear not, because I've got a nifty solution for you. The key lies in using Python with the beautifulsoup library to parse the HTML content of the web page. By making clever use of CSS selectors, we can pinpoint the elements that contain the current price and the previous price, the discounted one. Now, let's break down the solution a bit. We start by sending a GET request to the web page using the requests library, and then creating a beautifulsoup object to work with the HTML content. Using CSS selectors, we can easily target the elements that hold the current price and the previous price. Once we have those elements selected, we extract the text content and manipulate it to get the clean price values. In this case, the current price is stored inside a span tag with the class priceIns, while the previous price is in a span tag with the class priceDel. Voila! With this approach, we can accurately retrieve both the main price and the discounted price from the web page. It's a straightforward yet effective method that can be applied to a wide range of web pages with similar structures. So next time you're struggling to extract price data from a web page, remember this handy trick. And hey, if you enjoyed this tip, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite coding joke. Until next time, happy coding.